We have another question in AP Calculus test. An equation of the line tangent to y equals sine x plus 2 cosine x at point pi over 2 and 1. So you're looking for the tangent line equation. Tangent line equation, you're going to go to the linear equation that it's y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. That was in algebra, if you remember. We must know three components. We know m, which is the slope, and we gotta know y1 from the given y1 and x1 from the given. Three important components. That's for equation of tangent line. So the first one that we have to work on it very quick to find, which is the slope. And the slope, simply it's the derivative at the given point. So the function is, I'll keep space here to figure out. So the function is y equals sine x plus 2 cosine x. The derivative y dash or f of dash of x equals, derivative of sine is cosine, and then derivative of cosine is negative sine, but times 2, it will be negative 2 sine x. Now to find the slope m, remember, the slope m is the derivative at x equals pi over 2. At x equals, which is pi over 2. So we're going to replace pi over 2 for x. So it's cosine pi over 2, and instead of x, minus 2 sine pi over 2. And now we will think about what's cosine of pi over 2, which is cosine of 90. Look at this here. So remember, sine of 0 is 0. Cosine of 0 is 1. But in 90, we'll switch. Sine of 90 is 1. Cosine of 90 is 0. So we'll switch, remind you. So cosine of 90, that's 0. We don't need it. Cosine of 90 minus 2 times sine of 90 is 1. So the slope will be 0 minus 2 times 1, which is negative 2. This is the slope. And now we're going to plug it in here. This is negative 2. And this is x. And this is x minus 1. This is x minus 1 here. X minus 1. Sorry, x1. That's x1, which is pi over 2. And here's y minus y1, which is, this is y1, which is 1. So it's y minus 1 equals, distribute negative 2 will be negative 2x. Distribute negative 2 times negative is positive, and 2 cancel 2, then will be positive x, positive pi. Then now we will, you look at the choices here. So we move negative 2x to the other side. Okay, let's move that here down. Okay. I don't need it now. Yeah. That's what I need now, this area. Yeah. So we'll move negative 2x to the other side, will be y plus, we add 2x, okay, equals, and then we're going to move negative 1 to the other side, add 1 will be 1 plus pi, or pi plus 1. If you look at that, it matched with B. 2x plus y equals pi plus 1, and this is the answer.